Hi! So today I have a little unboxing to do. So in here there should be some yarn I've been excited about for a while. Beautiful colors. And then a book, which is the second edition of the one that I ordered. So it was a little bit it's a little bit interesting. We'll take a look at the book in a minute. But first up, alright. Oh, look at that, she wrapped it with paper. Alright. Oh, that's really sweet. She gave me some tea. This is black tea blend of Bella Luna. So, let's see how it smells. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's sealed. I will have to smell it later. Oh, it's got little blue flowers in it. I wonder which flower that is. Because there's a lot of edible blue flowers, just so you know. Oh my goodness. She gave me a sticker. I will be putting this on something. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look. This is the Midsummer Night Bumblebee Slub. So I love this bumblebee slub. It makes great texture. Oh, she gave me another sticker too. Here's another one. And they're good quality, the ones that you can put on water bottles. All right, and then this one is Peas Blossom. So this is also the same material, the bumblebee slub. And look at that. My skein has little flecks of dark blue tying these two together. That's amazing, because I knew there was a little bit of variation in this one, but I didn't know it went all the way to the midnight summer color. That's gorgeous. And then this is my first time getting to hold some. So this is the Firefly Neon Tweed in the color Dope. So Dope is a really popular color, and it's usually sold out. But oh my goodness, look at this. And this is the more like a tweed kind of. So it's got these little orange and kind of yellow and neon yellow flecks throughout it. Gorgeous. Neon, seeing the pattern here. And then the last one here is Celestial. And this is the neon tweed. So these were both, this one's not a, this one is a superwash merino neon Donegal nep. So this one is the Firefly Neon Tweed, and this one here is Firefly Neon Tweed as well. So this is the Firefly series, very awesome series, and this is in the color Celestial. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's got these flecks in it that I'm loving it. So these here are going to be working together to make a snood, I believe. I have not decided on the stitch yet. I have been contemplating like a cluster stitch across, but there's also things like the fantail stitch, which I've done before for a infinity scarf. So I have books, and I'm really excited. Now that I have the colors, I can visually like mess with them a little bit more in my head, because I knew the colors were really close and I knew they were different at the same time. So maybe stripes, I'm thinking about this. And then this here is the thing that we have been waiting for, because the original first edition kind of went out of stock, and I ordered it and it was already sold. So let's take a look. So this is a gift for my older sister. This is the Super Subversive Cross Stitch 50 Fresh as Fuck Designs. So my older sister's been telling me that she really likes the snarky things that these things say. So I knew this would be something she would enjoy. I believe she only has one other cross-stitch book, and maybe maybe a few others, not too many, because she's very picky about what she purchases for cross-stitch books, because she doesn't want like a lot of repeat things. Yes, I believe I can only show you the front cover on TikTok because they get angry about the full word. So I will be letting you know what these say. Oh, oh my God, I'm so in love. If I cross-stitched, this would be, this is right up my sister's alley. Oh my God. Happy effing holidays. Happy effing birthday. Happy effing whatever. That's a Christmas one. That's Santa's laugh. Just remember, that's Santa's laugh. I love you more than pumpkin spice. Now that's true love. That's true love. I think my older sister should probably make this one for her husband. Oh boy. It takes two to make a thing go right. That's very true. You know, these comments are often seen as like snarky and things like that, but it hits home because they're accurate, and sometimes you need to laugh at something to understand like the meaning, you know. Roses are red, Viagra is blue. Oh my God. Santa's little helpers, and there's a picture of a martini right there. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna spend some time looking at this. Ooh, and then it has all of these beautiful extras, like the little borders and things like that. Oh my goodness. And there's a blank grid for her. There's future font, nice day fonts. So there's different fonts in here to help you grid out your own saying, which is what I was really hoping for. But this is going to be awesome because I am ordering her up some grid paper so that she can plot out her own sayings and her own like things, you know, because I think the only other book that I know she has for sure is a spooky cross stitch, and I don't remember which one it was, but it has the Baba Yaga in it, and my sister did it in Boathouse Pink, and like when she's halfway done with the project, she's like, well, maybe I shouldn't have done Boathouse Pink. Is this disrespectful? I'm like, nah. It's like a little Tyke's house, you know, with chicken legs almost. It's amazing. So yeah, I'm really happy, and my birthday is next week, so this is my birthday present now. And this is my older sister's birthday present, and I will be having some tea. I do have a couple other teas from Muse2320. Sorry, I'm getting all flustered. 2320. Yep, I do have some other teas too. And I got lots of different loose leaf strainers. I got a little egg-shaped one from Target. It's got a little egg for the weight for the other side of the cup. So like there's a little strainer ball in there. You dip that in, and then the little egg hangs out the side. And then I also have the Grim Reaper, seeping, you know, the little Grim Reaper. But yeah, I also have a teapot set. I'm gonna have to have like a goth tea party with somebody. Does somebody want to have a goth tea party with me? All right, take care.